We know they've been good. We watched the Chiefs game last week and how they dominated the Chiefs pack. And we've prepared this week. We've done our job, and we look forward to coming out and meeting them head on here tomorrow.
Actually, for the Hurricanes, they have prepared under some specific facilities to prepare them for the heat here in Fiji. For the Drua, how did they prepare for the Hurricanes?
I don't think there's no heat tomorrow. Forecast says it's gonna rain and it's a night game, so good on them. And we do what we do, and we prepared how we prepared, and we just look forward to coming out tomorrow and giving our fans and everybody coming to watch a show tomorrow to watch.
Last year, you really you have good memories here at the HFC match when you beat the Hurricanes here. You looking to repeat that feat again this year?
That's last year, and we're in 2024 now, done with 2023, and yeah, we always come to win. No one prepares to lose. We're here to win tomorrow, and that's what we're gonna come and try to do tomorrow.